Hello everyone, welcome to Revit family next video in which we talk about void shift blend, how it's work and how you can use this command. Let's see in this video. Click on the void shift blend. You will see two options, sketch path and pick path. So we have already this path, so we can choose pick path and select this path. Now finish it. Go in modify shift blend and select profile number 1. We can create some profile one here and another here. So select profile number 1, edit profile, create some profile here, over here, finish it. Go in modify shift blend and select profile number 2, edit option, edit profile and create some profile over here, finish it, and again we have to finish this. So you will see it's got this profile in this way. You want to edit, you can edit also. Double click on this profile. Suppose you want to edit this profile number 1, click on profile 1 and edit. Decrease, if you want to decrease the size of the profile, you can decrease the size. Finish it, again finish it. Now you will see it's cut this profile in this way. Okay, this is how void shift blend is used. Okay, thank you for watching the video guys. See you soon in the next video.